really recognize how comfortable the seats are. They're not only heatable, which is good for Michigan, not so much here in Dubai. Of course, you can cool it. For us in Michigan, it's nice that you can heat the steering wheel. And the cup holders here in the center, they can be heated and cooled. And depending on what mode we have, there's a light ring. If you heat it, it glows red. And if you cool it, it glows blue. But more importantly, you sit in it, you feel comfortable. Again, you touch this beautiful leather, okay? You smell the real leather because this is not this vinyl-coated cheap leather we had in the past. This is nice Napa leather, top-grade leather, okay? Much softer.
From where you source the leather?
USA.
Yes.
Yes. And it's part of this story that, you know, we want to use American products. And also it's ecologically an important story because if you ship the material around the world, it's not very good for CO2. So we try to source local business. And then, you know, again, your audible senses, right? If you look at the beautiful cluster, right? This beautiful blue glow of the cluster, it's one of these things again. You sit in there, you smell, you touch, you see beautiful things. Okay, the full package. Of course, this is soft now. This is super soft now.
Is it going standard on all the models or you're showing us an upmarket?
Well, this is the C, but the softness, all this, you have an all model. Even the cheapest car is going to have a soft instrument panel.
With the leather?
This is no leather. This is leather here, okay? But this is what we call a cast skin, and the cast skin is a very expensive process. It's what Mercedes and Audi are doing, and that way you get this dual gloss effect. That's the only way you can do it. You also have the red, right? Another nice thing is, you know, this satin chrome here. This is more expensive than chrome. You take chrome as a basis, and then you put the satin coat on top of it, that makes it even more expensive, more exquisite. Okay? And then, of course, the technology is also very important for this kind of customer, right? I talked to you about leather and the chrome and the smell, but this screen is an 8.4-inch touchscreen, and it's very easy to operate. In the US, we now have a big debate, of course. You want to offer a lot of technology to the customer, but you don't want to distract them. One of our competitors got downgraded in a consumer magazine recently because they're overwhelming the customer. We, at the other hand, got praised because our instrument system is very easy and simple to understand and to use. Okay? So this is 300.